Baby, you talking about somebody mad right now? Everything. I mean everything I'm about to say is electrical. It's sick as can be in my head. But electric, I'll say. Oh, baby, when I tell you, you got the wrong number. Ratchet Nation. I see by your emoji. This the goddamn down. If this ain't the devil man of all devil mans. Sing, you ain't got no business. I mean none. Absolutely none. Hear me? I'm here talking about nobody else and they been no digging the most anybody. And I mean, if this mess is true, you see these charges. Do you see them? See, the word of God. You know the Bible. It say, the Lord take care of 2 things. That babies and food. Yeah, me food. He ain't talking about you. Because you crazy. You sick. I know you ain't know no baby. Child. Baby. Listen here. Mr. Greg. And that girl named Lynn. I ain't even say that last name. But they look like you, right? They look like you. Now I blocked out all the stuff. But you know I seen the run thing. And I need you to straighten this out. Got me right here. Coming over here and watching this man follow behind that goddamn skull. Y'all a mess. This block of beef has gotten out of hand. Now see, I usually don't deal with that kind of foolishness. I don't. But this here, I can't. I can't. And you better not. This better not be you, boy. The tomfoolery, molestative, pervert, baby. Okay, take a breath. This is big. Saucy with the sauce. Stirring the sauce. Bringing this absolute tomfoolery. I can't serve this. I can't serve this. Baby! I can't say nothing but bye. Bye! I can't do that right. This here. Blah blah. Baby! You get your butt here off the internet. You clear this mess up. And if it's true, we don't want to see you. But, yeah. Rag. You rag, alright. You the raggedy piece of... Okay. You don't know that I'll come to you, Charlie. Back up. Good out. Bye.
Cause we be drunk in loving. I don't know how many times you can't keep asking. You was never the one to make it happen. She know that I would be loving. Passing my cause we be drunk in love.